I just received my Shein order. Shein from SF. Ayan. So, sanitize muna natin.
Hi everyone! Hi! Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel guys. And today's video guys ay mag-review po tayo ng clothings. Ay, nag-order po ako sa Shein and charan, mabilis lang po siyang dumating. Kasi free shipping kasi umabot na ako ng more than 400 dollar yung order ko. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung yung mga order ko and ano yung mga opinion ko about this. So, watch out and tune in. So, ito na po yung order ko guys na dumating. Ito. Pero binuksan ko na siya kasi na-check. Kailangan ko siyang i-check kung complete item ba siya. Pero hindi ko pa ito nasusuot. So, let's go and take a look. So, hi guys! So, ito yung first clothes natin. I like the style kasi guys, kasi pa-square siya. So, mostly, pag pa-square para sa akin, nakikita yung design niya dito sa harap, mukha kang malaking boobs, kahit maliit yung boobs mo. So, I like the design overall. I like the textile. I like the style. Sa likod, garterize siya. So, mas maganda nga yung garterize kasi i-expand yung pagsuot mo kung mataba ka or payat. But this one is medium. Overall, I like the style. May marami din siyang kulay but I choose burgundy kasi susuot ko siya sa Pasko. So, di ba? Ganda. Love it! So, ito yung next order ko. Hi! So, what can you see? I love the flower, guys. So, I love the blue. As you can see, square pa rin siya dito sa tops. Kasi I really like the design na square ang pagdating. Kasi as I told you, nakakalak siya ng boobs kahit hindi siya malaki ang boobs. And kasya lang sa akin guys, very fit for me yung medium nila ng Shein. Actually, meron naman silang mga nilalagay na length talaga at saka ng laki ng ng damit. So, here is so parang ang gusto ko siyang sa seaside, eating, dinner, or lunch, like that. So, di ba? Sa sunrise, summer and the thing. So, malay nyo, makakapunta ako sa mga makabisit ako ng mga magagandang tourist destination ng mga beach. So, ito yung pang-uutili natin, guys. So, hello! Ganito siya kahaba. Let's go to the third clothes. Ito naman medyo sexy kasi nakita ko to kay Lobby po. O di ba? Instagram. Third in order ko. So more on crop top siya. So sabi ko sa sarili ko, siguro bagay pa naman ako mag-crop top, di ba? Chance at saka edad ko na pwede pa ako mag-crop top. So, i-enjoy ko muna yung time na pwede pa ako mag-crop top. So, this one is shorts. But I love this because kahit hindi siya garterize na fit sa akin yung medium guys. I really love kasi parang Asian fit yata yung Shein. And I love the tops. So sexy, classy, and yeah. Hindi masyadong bastusin yung pagka-crop top, di ba? So, parang feeling ko maganda din siya isuot sa mga beach, sa mga summer vibes, di ba? So, kung makikita nyo, ayan si Luby po. Kuha ko yung idea sa kanya. Then, gusto ko siyang, napakaganda kasi ng style. So, parang ginaya ko lang siya. Inspiration ko siya.
So, as you can see, meron siyang mga design top na flowery. At saka shiny ang kanyang textile. So, I love it. And I really like it, guys. Yung tila, pag hinahawakan mo, parang, mamahalin na dating.
You are large, like, if you're chubby, it's okay kasi yung may medium, may large, may XL. So, it's okay lang kasi, at saka, guys, tip lang po sa mga gustong mag-short or magsuot ng mga na malaki, medyo katulad ko na malaki ang tiyan, baby. So, piliin po natin yung walang garter, guys, not garterize. Yung mga ganito lang, nakaplat po siya ng belly. Hindi po siya halata na talagang na malaki yung tiyan natin. O diba, kahit malaki yung tiyan ko. So guys, let's go to the next one. Let's go, guys! So, meron na akong classic elegant dress. This is burgundy and also medium. Winter textile. Yung textile niya is parang ganito. So, parang winter textile siya. I like the style. I like the style. Overall, hindi kita yung malaking tiyan ko. So, what do you think about this dress, guys? So, mukha na ba akong elegant, social, or pwede na ba akong mag-red carpet? Shucks! But I love the dress overall. I love Shein. Thank you so much, Shein. And guys, kahit na marami siguro ang nag-ano sa Shein, nag-order at nagre-review sa Shein, kahit na mga sikat, siguro I still doing this. Kasi ang ganda talaga ng mga design at style nila, guys. Napaka-fashionable. So, ayan, guys. Hi guys, this is our 5th item from Shein. So let's try. Isa lang siyang tops. So let's try it on, guys. So this is our 5th item, and this is white, plain white with this fine style. But in this one, guys, is the same with the maroon. Kung naalala nyo yung maroon, the same lang siya. The same price also, 55 Hong Kong dollar, because it's on sale. And that's why I ordered this, because as I told you, I like this kind of design na pa-square and may boobsy-boobsy. And kaya lang, different siya dun sa maroon style, kasi yung maroon, garterized dito sa likod, ito hindi. Ito naman, meron siyang zipper dito sa gilid. So, medium size din ito. But overall, I like it. I like white. I really like white, guys. Pwede sa lahat ng bagay. So, I also like this style kasi pwede siyang summer, pwedeng autumns, di ba? Any occasion, pwede siya. So, I love it. Pwede mo din siyang iganito ng style. Tapos ganyan yung bra. O, diba? So, any style you want. But, kung i-compare ko dun sa maroon, I like sa maroon kasi yung maroon, medyo, dito, garterized. So, like ko yun kaysa dito. Pero, overall, this one, I like it. And, it's a thumbs up for me. So, order na, guys, from Shein. I love it. For our last cloth, guys, this is dress from Shein also. So guys, this one, nag-additional ako ng order, this one and this one, because this is the last one na, guys. Last na talaga at hindi na ako mag-shopping ng clothing. So, dami ko na kasing cloth. So, ito try una natin siya, guys. Okay, are you ready? So for the last cloth, guys, for the last dress, this is a dress. I ordered this one because pwede siyang gamitan ng rubber shoes or any sandals, high heels. Tapos pwede siyang pang social na okasyon or mga birthday parties or mga event na pupuntahan. Mga simple lang siya, but I really like it. O, diba? Kahit hindi ako maganda ang katawan ko, I still can see my figure. Kasi, hindi masyadong halata yung bilbil kasi medyo kulot-kulot siya dito sa harap. And, I like also the style here. As you can see, square pa din siya. And, I love all the style na pa ganito. Hindi na po ako mahilig sa sleeveless ngayon, guys. And also, you can also down this. Or, yung, ganito talaga yung normal, but pwede mo siyang i-design. I really like overall. I love it. Overall, this dress, guys, I really like it. I really love it. That's it. So I recommend this clothes and style. ang ating vlog for today, guys. So, ang ating pong content ay mix po tayo ng travel, fashion, and many more. Ayan, tapos na tayo sa ating another vlog. And thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like it. And pwede kayo mag-order sa Shein and mag-review din ng mga clothing. So thank you for watching and I hope you like it. Please do subscribe Georgie Ulita channel and hit the bell button below para ma-notify ka sa aking mga next video. See you my next video every Friday 9:15 p.m. Asia time and Philippine time. See you next time. The model of Shein versus me. This is the Shein model, and this is Lobby Po, and this is me. This is the Shein model, and this is me. This is the Shein model, and this is me.
See you the review on my next vlog. Thank you so much.
I think back to all the better days when I used to be young and free. I remember her like it was yesterday. She was so beautiful to me. In my mind sometimes I'll run away to this time back in history. She reminds me of the summertime way back in 2003. Hey, she was a cutie in a sundress. I told her I just had to confess, I got a crush on you, darling. Them long tan legs got me falling. And I know we just met, yeah. But I heard that love at first sight ain't a myth.